Hi! In front of me is IGET Smart L203 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this tablet. Firstly, open menu. Now click on the search bar over here and type recorder. Then choose sound recorder app over here and tap allow. After that, you can click on this red button to start your recording. If you want to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same button. But if you want to end your recording and save it, click on the square one over here. Now click on the same button to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to delete it, all you need to do is hold it, then tap on this bin icon at the top right corner and select OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!